What's up, guys? BG here, Classworks YouTube channel. I got a little quick short video for y'all today. If y'all have S10s, second gen facelift version, 98 up, I'm gonna show y'all a little something here. A lot of these trucks notorious about having headlight issues, lights being dim, not working, power locks, windows not working, things like that. Hang on, I'll flip this camera around and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, this is Kevin's truck. What I was talking about, second gen facelift, is dual headlights, blazers, things like that. A lot of problems people are having on these trucks. Headlights are dim, not wanting to work, not being very bright. Having problems with, if you're lucky, you got power locks, power windows, power seats, depending on what options you have. If you've got a truck, blazer, you've checked all your grounds, you've checked fuses, relays, everything like that. These particular body style are notorious about grounding issues with the wires for the headlights behind this switch right here. It's notorious for the plug being going bad. This switch right here, the plug's known to go bad. If you've replaced all that, checked all that, and you're still having headlight issues, underneath your pedals, or up underneath the dash behind instrument cluster and everything like that, is a box. It's called a body relay box or body control box. It's kind of like a convenience center, like on the OBS's had the convenience center up next to on the firewall behind the brake pedal. Now this one is a little bit more difficult to get to. This is what the box looks like. It is a relay box. One of the problems with the headlights is this relay box has a ground relay in it. It's a headlight ground relay. That relay will go bad. It won't let enough power. It won't let it ground out enough power to the headlights, and it can cause all kinds of issues. The relays are also in here for your power locks, power seats, things like that. And nowhere shows or tells about this box. Now I'm gonna go over here on one of the crew cabs and I'm gonna show y'all where it is. So give me a second. I'm gonna get over here to the truck and I'll get the part pulled out and I'll show y'all. All right, I'm gonna try this again. Apparently I just talked to myself. All right, this is the brake pedal assembly where your pedals go, everything like that. This box will sit like this and it's locked in a tab. You'll have a 7mm, 8mm plug right there you've got to pull out. You'll pull these back and you twist it down and it pops out. And then when it pops out, it'll have that cover right there that he's got in his hand on it. And you just unscrew it. And this is where the headlight relays are. We chased, I believe it's this one. It's a headlight. It's not a regular relay. It's a ground relay. That one goes bad, you lose ground, and you won't have proper power going to your headlights, and it can burn up your fuse, or not your fuses, but your switches, your plugs, everything like that. We traced a headlight issue on this truck for about 3 months, if not a little bit longer. We replaced headlights, headlight bulbs, sockets, grounds, cleaned the frame for new grounds. We replaced all the relays, fuses, everything. Thought it was a master multifunction switch, replaced it. Checked the wiring on multifunction switch, it was good. We thought it was a headlight switch, pulled it out, tried it with another known good one. Nothing changed. We checked the power, checked the plug on the back of that headlight switch, like the one I showed you earlier. You turn on, off, and all that. Nothing changed. There's one video online that he found that talks about this box, and I found one spot in a forum where someone else talks about it. But there's really not a lot of information about it. It's called the body control box. Like I said, it's kind of like a convenience center for an OBS. It's a pain in the rear to get to. But if you're having issues, headlights still not working and you've done everything, check relays, check fuses, still no power, they're dim, barely on, it's going to be that ground relay 9 times out of 10. There's relays in there for power seats, power windows, power locks, all kinds of other relays in there. I found a schematic for it. I don't know how universal it is. I'm guessing it's all the new 98 up to 04 S10s. I would assume, possibly. I'm not 100% sure. but I'll include that schematic in a picture in the video. That way you can look at it, see which one does what, and everything like that. But this right here will let you know where it is, because like I said, I looked on forums. I tried to look it up online. I couldn't find any pictures that actually showed it. So maybe if you're having the same issues we were having, I mean, we were banging our heads against the walls. We were at the point we were fixing to make a completely new headlight wiring harness just for this truck. But we found it, finally found it, and it's what it ended up being. Now its headlights work great, bright. High beams work, low beams work. Everything's working like it's supposed to. And like I said, all it is it's this one box. Like I said, it's up underneath the dash. You're going to have to pull your lower trim panels off, things like that, and have little hands.
No, it's just the lower kick panel up under where your knee panel is.
Okay, so, yeah, the lower kick panel underneath the steering column.
And if you have the other piece that wraps around the pedals, that has to come off.
The big metal piece?
No, the rubber piece.
Oh, okay.
The foam on it.
The rubber piece with the foam and all that. Yeah, you'll have to take some stuff off just to get to it. But once, like I said, you get in there, you get this one 7/8 millimeter bolt out, you pull the plug out, you'll flip these tabs back, and then you just kind of push it in and it pops out. And then you just kind of line it back up and snap it in. Yep, that's it. I just want to do that on a quick video. We're doing other videos out here. I've been out here working on Mama's truck today, get stuff done. We're getting figuring measurements and ideas for the crew cabs. So that video will be out probably sometime next week, however long it takes my internet to load up, along with this one too. But like I said, I just wanted to share that as a quick separate little video for your headlight issues, and maybe it'll help somebody out. I appreciate it. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up, do all that good stuff for us. Help us out. We're still growing, and we appreciate y'all watching.